This is Julene Knudsen, Event Coordinator for the Family Engagement Team here at OHVA. I want to help you know how to sign your student up for an OHVA face-to-face event. There are some things we need to remember, especially if you're a returning parent or a learning coach. Each student signs up and receives a ticket for the event starting this year. At the event, the family will be given name tags, but the family members and learning coaches do not need to sign up. Only the students sign up. At sign up, students must have their ID number. Their student ID number must be on the registration. Every student must check in at the event with their ticket. This is our goal. Every student either has a ticket with that QR code on their phone that's linked to their student ID, or they have a paper ticket that they have printed out for the event that can be scanned. That way, every student is recorded as attending. Number 5, keep your student ID numbers on your phone or in your car or somewhere where you can always locate them. If you do not know what a student ID number is, that's okay. There is a great resource at help.k12.com. You can go to help.k12.com. In the search, put how to find my student ID, and it will give you instructions step by step. As always, our sign-ups start with the calendar. You can get to our event calendar by the app, the OHVA app that has the red cardinal on it, red cardi. Click on that, click on events. It will take you to the calendar. Then from your phone, you can do everything I'm talking about today. Or you can go to the website, the ohva.k12.com website, click on events and get to the calendar that way. Once you're at the calendar, you're going to click on the event you want to attend. Here is a list of all of our Let's Go Big Back to School picnics for September 9th. So you would just click on one of those and it will take you to a pop-up window that looks like this. Notice in the upper left, we're using Eventbrite. That is who issues the tickets and records our attendance. You want to click the blue follow button so it turns to following. Then you want to go down and click register. By following us, you'll be alerted whenever we add new events. When you click register, you will get this pop-up window. Notice number 1. On the right-hand side, you scroll down until you find your picnic location. All the locations are here: the central, the northeast, the northwest, the southeast, south central, southwest. They're all listed here. So scroll down until you find your ticket. Then you want to, in the number 2 arrow, you want to, once you find your location, you want to click that 0 down arrow and turn it to 1, because you must purchase each ticket for each student. So you'll do one student at a time if you have more than one student here at Ohio Virtual Academy. When that ticket number says 1 and you've got 1 in your cart there that you see the orange bubble with 1 in it, then you are ready to register. Make sure you have your student ID number ready. Then you get this ticket, and again, you can do this all from your phone or from the computer, but you're going to type in the learning coach first name, last name, the email address associated with your OHVA account, and your cell phone. You want to put in a cell phone number so that you can call your tickets up on your phone at the event. Makes it very easy to check in. You must have your student ID number, because the very next thing you fill in is that student ID number. You can only put one student ID number in at a time, so you'll have to do this for each of your students. When you are registering and you've put your student ID number in, notice again on the right, there is a scroll. You will not be able to register until you answer all the questions. So student ID number, you put in their first initial, then you put in their last name, then you check their grade, then you put in your learning coach name again, and permission to take photographs at the event. So once you've got all that done and you've scrolled all the way to the bottom of the form and answered all questions for each for this student, you're going to click register. And remember, you'll have to do this again if you have more than one student. All right, when you click register, you get this pop-up that confirms to you that one ticket was sent to your email address. Now, if you want to send it to another email address, that's fine. You can click right there, send to another email, put that email in, and it will forward it to that email as well. It tells you the date and the time. And then notice right here, you can view your tickets right on your phone. You can view them. And because you have that email, you will always be able to call up that email and find your tickets. But you can also view your tickets and save them to your phone as a picture or, print screen, whatever you want to do. Then I want you to know that you now have two ways of finding your tickets. You can find them from your email, and you can also find them from the calendar. So here you go. Here's the email. What is the email? Well, when the email comes to you, it has a PDF that you can simply print and have a paper copy of your ticket, or you can save and have a copy on your phone. But if you scroll down on this email, right there between you, under You've Got Tickets, you will find a button that says Go to My Tickets. So right here on your phone, you can view your tickets from the email. Or on your computer. And when you click on that View My Tickets, it shows you what your ticket is. You can print your ticket. You can cancel the order if you've signed up for an event and it's getting close and you realize you cannot attend. You can simply open that email and click cancel order. And you can also email us as a family engagement team from this ticket. So you've got three things you can do there when you view your ticket. Then you can also print ticket. If you click that, you see a ticket actually comes up. This is the ticket that you can save to your phone, or you can make a paper copy. If you make a paper copy, be sure to get those in your car so they'll be there for the day of the event. The other thing you can do is the PDF. If you click on that PDF, it looks like this. Again, you can save or you can print, but you've got that barcode that we will need to scan when you check in at the event. So that is simply how to get your tickets. They are very easy to access from the email that is sent to your phone. Or you can save them to your phone, or you can print and bring a paper copy. The goal is for every student to walk into the event with a ticket, either on their phone or in paper form, so that we can count every student. We want every student counted because here at OHVA, every student counts. Thank you.